Thanks for joining us here at Canada's Weather Network. We indeed have some active weather in many parts of the country. You can see all the rain in Western Canada, and that is going to be sort of the soggy story over the next couple of days. There's one separate system in BC, but look at this low pushing down to the southeast here of the prairies before another ridge builds in for Saturday. As a result, we have a risk of thunderstorms as indicated in yellow, but I'm looking at this area, southern areas of Saskatchewan. We could see some severe storm limits here, and this is indicative of what we saw several days ago. Also a risk of some funnel clouds in southeastern areas of Alberta. Some of the models are suggesting the core of the energy will remain in the U.S., but we wanted to make sure that you were aware of the risk that is there. Certainly the moisture is going to be moving in. Generally speaking, along the Yellowhead Highway, you can see just on the line here for Friday, core of the moisture, maybe 3 inches, 75 millimeters in the forecast. We have some rainfall warnings in play across the foothills, including Hinton and Rocky Mountain House. So this is a big story. Lots of rain in a short period of time. Your forecast, a lot of these numbers are below seasonal. 22 in Winnipeg, mix of sun and cloud. We have 20 degrees in Prince Albert. Saskatoon will see some rain showers. We'll start off with showers in Regina, but it'll change over to rain as we get into the evening as some of that moisture continues to sit south. And then in Calgary, risk of a thunderstorm probably after lunch. Not going to be an all-day event, but certainly cool at 18 degrees, even cooler to the north, 15 in Edmonton. And as we push further west, some rain showers. Vancouver, it's going to be a rain day for sure, 16 degrees, but just scattered activity across Victoria. You'll get some sunshine developing certainly by lunchtime. 18 degrees your forecast high, and through the interior, 19, well below the norm in Kelowna, although a mix of sun and cloud. Moisture, lots of it, moving eastward into Atlantic Canada. The rain showers tapering off out of Montreal. You'll get some breaks, ridge of high pressure starting to build in. But this is going to bring in likely some record rainfall for you into Atlantic Canada, and we're watching those numbers very closely. But into Ontario for starters, 19 degrees in Ottawa, 21 in Kingston. We'll see 21 in Toronto. That's below seasonal. You should be 25, 26. UV levels will be sitting at 8. And Thunder Bay, a mix of sun and cloud, and 22 degrees. For the east, as we track this moisture, one of the areas of concern for you into Newfoundland is in the Avalon Peninsula. So you get a couple of waves of moisture. We'll see a break in there for you across the Maritimes before another system starts to move in. But this likely will push St. John's into likely the wettest June on record. Risk of thunderstorms today, again, non-severe in nature. Portions of Newfoundland, the Maritimes, and through Quebec City. We continue to track that. And as we take a look at the amounts of moisture with some of this activity, this is the big concern here. Again, maybe 2 to 3 inches in the southern sections of the Avalon Peninsula. So we will watch that accordingly. Otherwise, elsewhere, anywhere from 10 to 25, maybe 40 millimeters locally. Your forecast, 21 degrees in St. John's, mix of sun and cloud, 20 in Charlottetown, and 22 in Fredericton. We'll have much more right here on Canada's Weather Network. Stay with us.